Don't you think that it's boring how people talk? Making smart with their words again. Well, I'm bored.
Hey, what up everybody? It's Lee from Autosport. Today we have here the all-new C8. He came in for a few things. We're gonna go over it, but you know, we always gotta start with the front first. The front, we added the gloss black double racing stripe across the hood. Looks amazing with the blue. On the side, you know, we had to match the colors up. If you look closely, we did the Michelin Man tire letters in blue and the wheels in gloss black finish with the lovely red calipers. This is the hardtop convertible. As you notice, this is also all wrapped in the gloss black. Goes very well, gives the car that two-tone look. And the racing stripes continue going across the trunk and all the way down by the back bumper. On this vehicle, we also added a dual catback exhaust by AFE. The car sounds 10 times better, super aggressive and super loud. We're gonna get in it now just so you guys can hear it for yourselves. And you guys know the car is never complete unless you do something on the inside. We added two special things into the C8. First, we did a starlight headliner, and then secondly, we did the ambient lighting 360 around the door panels and around the entire dashboard. Two cool facts about this is that this is the first C8 with a starlight headliner, and this is the first convertible with a starlight headliner. So if you ever want this, come see us at Autosport. Mention my name, Lee. Please make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys soon.